Good day everyone, welcome back to another devlog of the IQ community server, and today we are back with another devlog. Yes, that's just what I've said. But we are back here on a Friday, the 26th of June 2020 to continue to work on our automated storage system within the middle of the ocean in my Mesa biome. So as you can see from the background, I finished 8 modules of the automated storage system designed by Tangotek, and at the moment they are already sorting items for me. So I've built these modules off camera because, well, building the same thing over and over is a little boring, even for a time lapse. And as well as that, I also built these modules over multiple days and not all at once. So that means I would have a lot of different clips, and in the end it wouldn't be very watchable if I sped it up 5,000 times. Alright, enough talking about that, let's move on to the thing that I'm actually doing in the background, which is creating an orange sand wall, which goes around this stone platform on which I built my 8 modules on top of. And the reason why I did this was because I needed more space to build even more automated sorting system modules, as the ones on top were already filled to the brim with items, and I needed even more place to sort out other items as well, which weren't even in the top layers. So that's why I decided to create a nice huge orange sand wall, which I can of course divide up into sections of 5 by 5 and using sponges clear it all out to turn it into nice fresh air, so I can build my new redstone contraptions within that, which are going to house in more and more items.
And bam! Suddenly it's Sunday.
So on Sunday it was finally time to create more 5 by 5 square areas so I can use the sponges more effectively and clear it all out one by one. And after that, when everything is finished, we will have a very nice big empty space for more storage systems. Now this is going to be a very repetitive task, so let's up the time-lapse speed and we are going to make this baby fly about 5000% from real time. Let's go! I don't know about you, but this is still too slow. Let's up it to 10,000%. Alright everyone, let's hope that time-lapse worked out, because right now when I replay it, it is becoming very hard for my computer to keep up. So let's hope that the 10,000% speed up is going to render out correctly. Now a big thank you to Lucas, who helped me out with some of the clearing out of the water, as this way everything moves about 2 times as fast, or actually in this case about 1.5 times as fast. As Lucas, yeah, you really need to step up your game, man. You aren't really that fast with placing down blocks. Anyway though, still thank you. Did I just roast Lucas and also thanked him for it? Like,
What?
so on Monday the 29th of June, and I know it's a Monday, so technically that's another week, but I didn't really do anything else in that week, and what I am doing right now is virtually the same as in the previous clip that was shot on Sunday, so I thought why not just add it in this devlog, which is going to save me out from creating 2 videos, and that is going to be a lot more efficient and fun, I guess. So in this clip you can see that I changed things around as I recorded it in a first person perspective, as I thought why not change things up a little bit, as the third person time lapses can become a little bit boring and maybe a first person time lapse will be a little less boring. But one downside of this is that I cannot speed it up 10,000 times anymore, because you know, when I do that in first person everything just becomes messy and it becomes unwatchable. So that's why I am going to cut this a little bit shorter, but in the end, I did manage to empty out the whole area underneath the stone platform, which I am very happy about, and it took me about 1 hour again to do that completely. So in total I have spent about 3 hours of clearing and creating sand pillars to create a nice empty sections underneath the current sorting system. And in the end, that is about it for what I've done this week on the IQ community server. So make sure you like the video if you liked it, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss all the other devlog videos that are upcoming as well. And if you want to join the server yourself, then there is a possibility that you can do so. So check out the link in the description if you want to join the IQ community server. All the requirements are in there as well. And yeah, I do want to say that I very much enjoy doing all these videos, as it is very cool to see everything again from a third-person time-lapse and see how much time you actually spend on each and every build, as this is some sort of a journal, and all of you are on the ride with me together through this epic journey where we create some sick builds on the server. So in the meantime, everyone, that's about it for this episode. I will see you in another devlog or another video. Goodbye and take care.